It is 5 a.m. on Departure Day Wednesday. I don't know if you can see those raindrops. We have a severe thunderstorm going on here, so what did we do but put all the kids from all the troops in this big dining hall canopy. We're waiting out the lightning and then we'll board the buses. We'll be a little late probably, but safe. That's what we're paid to do as Scoutmasters. That's why we get paid the big bucks. We'll be seeing y'all sooner than you think and looking forward to it on Jambo Live until we meet again.